Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick review of the BenQ W1070. First of all, hopefully you can hear the fan noise. This is on Eco mode and in Cinema mode, which is the quietest possible. Okay. I also want to show how bright it is in the room, because once I point at the screen, it makes it look much darker. And I will turn on . So with bright content like this, you can see how awesome it is even with all the lights on. And this is just a plain white screen from Visual Apex, CineWhite. Let's see if I can quickly get some. Okay, this is probably. There we go. It's actually good to show black levels. So notice the light kind of washes out all the blacks, but it's still pretty watchable. Not ideal, but now I'm just going to rewind it for a second. And I'll turn down the brightness, turn the lights off. Not much darker in the room. So we're going to watch the same exact content. That looks way better than the theater to me. And you're gonna see how washed out it gets with the lights back on. It's about as bright as these lights will get. But just to give you an idea, it's the whole room illuminated. Ignore the mess. Alright, hope this helps you guys. I will be doing a review with another projector soon.